B? Bistro. Try .552.
No, it's not that.
It's not that?
It's not a long word.
Okay, let's just start over entirely.
Start over the whole thing?
Not the whole thing, the Morse code. Just make sure you're separating the letters.
It's starting now. Dash, dot. 1 dash 4 dots? What the fuck?
So dash dot.
Yeah.
No, 1 dash and 4 dots is not a letter that I can see. No. That's a letter. That's a number.
What? A number? Does anything start with a number?
No. I don't know why numbers are listed. Because there's one dash with 4 dots is a 6, but there's no numbers in any of these words.
Dash dot. What is that?
A dash and 3 dots.
Yeah.
Is a dash and 3 dots is a B. So just try 3.552.
3.552. Wrong.
Yeah, we're not good at Morse code.
What the?
Let's try to restart the bomb and then start over.
Dot. Okay, I'm throwing it. No, come back. Teleport over here.
What would there's no, all of the words are words, there's no numbers.
I don't understand what's happening. It was like dash dot. And that doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I don't know why they've listed numbers.
Okay, we have Morse code again.
Okay, so let's just try our best, okay? Let's just try our best.
Alright. Starting... This is a long word. Starting now. Dot. Space. Dash. Space. Dot. Dash. Space. Dot. Space. Okay, you can get a word after that.
Okay, so you said 4 dots and a dash?
No.
That's what you said. Was it 3 dots and a dash?
Okay. Then we'll start over again. This is a long word. What the fuck? Is there any word that's like extremely long?
They all seem to be about the same length. Relatively.
Dot, space. Dot, dash.
Dot, space, dot, dash?
I think.
So dot, dash would be A, so that would be, what is it? S-A. S-A, there's no S-A.
It changed, it's changing on me.
Alright, let's try again.
Alright, it's starting now. Dot.
3 dots.
Space, dash, space, dot, dash, space.
So 1 dash,
Dot,
and then space?
Dash, dot, space. Oh my god, this is a long word. Find the longest word and just give it to me.
Okay, so it should be S-T. So you said dot, space, dash, space?
Yes. Dot,
and then what's
dash, space.
And then what comes after dash space?
Dot, dash. Or dash dot. I don't know. Alright.
I think it's steak. So let's go 3.582.
This is a long word. I really doubt that it's steak.
They're all it's not that?
Not that. Alright, starting again.
Well, there's no STN.
Dash. Dot dash.
Dot dash? It should be, what steak?
This is a long word.
That's the only word that's the only word that's STA.
Okay, so let it. Or like a 9-letter, 10-letter. This is a very long word.
There's no STA. There's no STA word.
Is there a very long word?
They're all the same length.
What the? This is a long word.
Let's restart one more time.
Shit. Okay, it's restarting. It doesn't end.
Is it the same bomb? No, it's not a new bomb. New bomb.
Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away.
My chromosomes are crumbling.
Alright, it's that's what it is. I'm running in there. Alright, we'll retry one more time.
Alright, is there Morse code?
There is not Morse code.
No Morse code, okay. First,
we're safe. Alright, there's who's on first.
Who's on first? Let's get rid of that first.
You are letters.
Okay, top left.
Alright, nothing.
It's
nothing
there. Oh, nothing is a word. Okay, okay, I'm gonna list off the words. Stop me when you hear a word you see. As in you, HHH. Right?
Stop. It's right. Alright.
Did you hit it?
Yes.
What's the display?
You apostrophe already.
Okay. Hit the right middle.
Alright. Right middle ready.
Oh no, don't hit it. Don't hit it. Just tell me what it is.
Yeah, I know. It's ready.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Stop. It's yes.
Okay, hit yes.
You.
Letter. Word. I'm trying to find it.
This was
okay, top, middle right.
Middle right, middle.
Middle right is middle. Blank, the word blank. Ready, okay, as in the word. What? Nothing, as in the word. Alright, press.
Nothing, we're done.
Nothing? Okay, good.
Alright. Simon says.
Okay, Simon says.
No strings, flashing red.
Vowel or not?
No vowel.
No vowel. What's flashing?
Red.
Red flashing, hit blue.
Red, blue.
Blue, yellow.
Red, blue, green.
Blue, yellow, green.
Red, blue, green, green.
Blue, yellow, green, green.
Red, blue, green, green, yellow.
Blue, yellow, green, green, red.
Alright. Maze.
Maze, okay.
Alright, first circle. Wait, okay.
Top from the bottom, top or left-hand corner.
Yeah.
Let's just say, like, how many down and how many to the right. Let's keep it simple.
Alright, first circle, 3 right. So it's
3 right? And it's no down?
No down.
Okay, that would be 4 right. Is it 2 from the right? Like, are there 2 pegs between it and the right? Okay.
Alright, second circle, 3 down, 2 right.
Okay, yeah, we're good. Okay, so where is the triangle?
4 down.
Just on the left? On the far left?
Yeah, far left, 4 down.
Alright, where are we starting from?
1 to the right.
In the second, like, column. Yeah, at the top. Okay, hit 1 down.
Alright.
1 to the left. And hit 2 down, and that should be it.
It's not.
It's not?
No.
Okay, where is the triangle?
Right below me.
Okay, hit it again then.
Okay. The last one is the 1, 2, 3 ABC wires. So there's
1, 2, 3 ABC. Hold on, I have to find it. ABC wire. Oh fuck! We can do it. Okay, go.
Blue 1 to C.
Blue, and that's the only wire.
And black to the C.
Do not cut the blue wire.
Cut the black.
What's the black?
To the C.
2 to C, cut the black wire.
Alright, done.
Go to the next one.
Blue A to B, blue 5 to A. I mean 4 to B.
So that's 2 blues?
Yeah.
Okay. That should be, is one of the blues connected to a B?
Yes.
Cut it.
That was an error.
What the fuck?
Oh no, we're gonna have a living, breathing problem that I call Mitt Romney.
Where are you even posting? Because I can hear that.
It's a video.
Oh, fuck you. Alright, well, was that the last module?
That was the very last module.
Alright, so let's fuck it. We won. We did it. We just...
We can't go on. Oh, I hit retry. God damn it.
Alright, let's go.
There's Morse.
Morse code. We want to get this out of the way as fast as we can.
Alright, it's starting now.
Hold on. Don't tell me. Okay, tell me.
Dot.
Dot. Is that one word or 2 words? One letter or 2 letters? Is there space?
Yeah.
So dot, dash.
Space, dash.
Dot, space, dash.
Yeah.
So 3 dots should be an S, and 1 dash should be a T. So it's either steak, or sting, or strobe. Okay, let's go to the 3rd letter.
Dot.
1 dot?
Yeah.
That is an E, that should be steak. That is 3.582.
Done.
Okay.
Oh,
Morse code. Fuck Morse code. Fuck.
Alright, let's do the 1, 2, 3 ABC wires.
Okay, I need to keep real good track of this. 1, 2, 3 ABC.
There's a blue to the A.
Oh, where is it? Oh god, I'm blind. Where is it? Okay, we're here. What is it?
Okay, a blue to the A and a blue 3 to A.
So there's 2 blues.
Yeah.
Okay, first blue connected to what?
A.
Don't cut it.
Alright.
Second blue?
Did somebody actually join? Yeah.
What's on the second blue?
3 to A.
Cut it.
Alright, done.
Next one.
Alright, blue 4 to C.
So is that the only blue?
No, there's also blue 6 to B, and there's a black 5 to B.
Okay, so the first blue you see, is that connected to a B?
No.
So don't cut it. The 4th blue you see, is that connected to an A?
No.
So don't cut it. What is the black?
5 to B.
4 to B?
5 to B.
5 to B, cut it.
Alright, we're done. Well, 2 more panels. Alright.
2 more panels.
1 blue, 1 black, 1 red. The blue 7 to B.
Red, it's 1 red? Okay. What's the blue? 5 blue?
7 to B.
Cut it.
Alright. Black 8 to A.
Cut it.
And red 9 to B.
Don't cut it.
This takes so much time.
It does.
1 more wire, red 12 to A.
Okay, that's the second occurrence of red. Is it connected to B?
No.
Don't cut it.
Alright, we're done. Maze.
Okay, we're right next to maze. Maze, go.
Alright, first circle down 1, to the right 4. Second circle, down 3 to the right 1.
Wait, you said the first circle is down 1 to the right 4?
Yeah.
Is it one square away from the far right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, I think I got what you have. And then is the second circle like fourth row, second column?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is the triangle?
Right above the second circle.
Okay, so one above the second circle?
Yeah.
Okay, where are you starting from?
First row, fourth column.
First row, fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right of the far left.
Yeah.
So down 1. Left 1. Down 1. Left 1.
Alright, done. You're on first with 40 seconds. We can't do it.
Okay, you're on first.
C.
The word C?
Yes.
Fuck.
This is so dumb.
Fuck, where is it? Bottom right, bottom right. Alright, ready. Ready. Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, hit yes.
Hold on, words.
Hold on, the words hold on. Bottom right again. UH. You are, as in the letters. You, as in the letters. Letter. Oh, fuck.
I saw the U and R letters, and I was like, ooh, yay, so I went to press it, but I didn't get in the button.
I don't think we can do something so complex only one solver.
Yes, fucking. Hey, Michael. Always. Oh, we could do a custom bomb.
Yeah, nothing but fucking ABC wires and Morse code.
I mean, that'd be good practice, but I don't know how to actually do that.
I'm actually going fucking insane.
There are also needy modules that I can turn on.
I don't think you should do that.
Why not?
Because they're gay. They cannot be disarmed.
Be disarmed, but Posa.
Don't look at the bomb disposal, man.
I'm not, it's telling me what it is and
Never mind.
There's also hardcore mode. First strike will trigger explosion. Alright, how about 5... Alright. How about 5 modules in 10 minutes?
Okay, that's good. 2 minutes per module. Yeah, we could do that shit.
That's extremely easy.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna restart because I left needy modules on. Left a lot of modules. No, the bomb dropped. I'm trying.
Billy, please.
Alright, give me a minute. I have to turn off needy modules. Hey, you, go away. Alright, now.
I just got a massive lag spike.
Alright, we have simple wires, complicated wires, maze, 5-letter word, and a button.
Okay, let's do button first.
Red abort.
Button is blue, says abort, no. Okay, hold it down.
Flashing red.
Release it when the countdown timer has a 1 minute.
Done.
Okay, next one.
5-letter word, since we've never done this.
What is 5-letter word?
It's like 5 symbol, like 5 letters.
On the symbol, is it password? Is it like? Yeah. Are there triangles?
Yeah.
Okay. The buttons above and below the letter will cycle through the possibilities for that position. Only one combination of the available letters will match the password below.
Please.